Hello there, welcome back to my channel. So recently I've been very inspired by my new hair and I wanted to make something very fantasy-like, so I made a fairy ear cuff. So let's get started. You're going to start off by cutting an 8-inch strand of your 16 gauge wire, and at the end of that strand you are going to bend it inwards. Then go up a couple of inches and bend it down into a point. And then from that point, the extra strand you're going to bend it backwards. And then the extra strand you are going to bend it down and cut off any excess. And when you're done, it should look a little like this. Hopefully it wasn't too complicated. Next, you're going to cut off another piece of strand and kind of follow the shape of the inside of the ear cuff. And then once you're done, you're going to bend the ends inward to make little swirls. And when you're done, it should look like this. Next, you're going to get your thinner wire and you're going to use this to connect these two pieces together. You're going to wrap the wire around the two pieces in 3 different places. And once you're done, it should look a little like this. Next, you're going to cut another piece of strand, and on this one, you are going to bend one of the ends inward. And the other end outward. This is going to go on the inside of your ear cuff. Now you're going to cut off a second piece and do the exact same thing. So when you're done, you should end up with 2 pieces. Now you're going to take your 26 gauge wire again and you're going to connect all these pieces together. And this is what it should look like once you're done. Now you're going to take your crystals or beads and start adding them to the wire in no particular order. Then once you're done, you're going to wrap the wire around the ear cuff. Now once you've done that, you go ahead and go back in and add crystals or beads anywhere you like. And once you're happy with the design, you are basically done. Now all that's left is to try it on. So there is your fairy ear cuff that adds a really nice fantasy touch to any outfit. And if you would like to see more fantasy inspired videos, let me know in the comments below. So thanks for watching everyone, and until next time, I will see you later.